Listen to this meditation if you want them to communicate with you instantly. This is your reminder that this meditation is your power switch. This is your timeline jump into the reality where your specific person is not just thinking about you, but they are reaching out. They are contacting you. They are communicating with you because they can no longer keep the silence, because you have become undeniable. Let's make something clear right now. Communication is natural connection. It is inevitable. If they have ever felt it is inevitable. If they have ever felt something for you, they still feel it, and they will feel it even louder after this. Now let's begin. Place your hand over your heart and visualize your person. This isn't about forcing a message. It's about embodying the version of you who always hears from your specific person. They will crave the sound of your voice because silence from you feels like starvation. You are not waiting for contact. You are living as if contact is constant because it is in their mind. You are a loop on repeat in their thoughts. You are a soundtrack in their heart. You are the echo they can't silence. This is the version of you that is chosen. This is the version of you that gets reached out to, thought about, longed for. This is the version of you that they dream of at night and remember first thing in the morning. You are on their mind constantly. You are in their heart permanently. You do not need to lift a finger. You do not need to send another message. That version is done. That version of the story has ended. This is the new scene. The phone vibrates. You glance down. It's their name. It always was going to be their name because you choose this. You stepped into the end. You don't doubt. You don't question. You anchor deep into the truth. It's already done. It's happening behind the scenes. Reality is catching up to the new script. You are writing with your inner state. This is where you stop reacting and start commanding your thoughts. Your energy is magnetic. Your identity is unshakable. Your identity is unshakable. Now say this after me in your mind or out loud. They want to talk to me. They feel safe talking to me. They miss hearing from me. They are always drawn back to me. Every time they think of peace, of comfort, of love, they think of me. They are reaching out because their heart won't let them stay quiet. It is already done. Feel that this isn't a maybe. This isn't a someday. This is a now thing. And you don't get shaken by how long it takes because you're grounded in knowing it's inevitable. You are the version of you that they talk to every single day. You are the version of you that doesn't wait because you're already chosen. You are the call they must make. You are the text they must send. You are the voice they must hear. Now breathe that in and let it fill your chest. Let it soften your mind. Let it rewire your assumptions because communication isn't a miracle. It's the natural effects of your new state. It is already done. They are already on their way. Keep your focus on the end. Keep your energy rooted in certainty. Keep being the version of you who always gets the call because you are irresistible. You are unforgettable. And now you are unavailable for anything less than full communication, deep connection, and total consistency. They are messaging you. They are calling you. They are showing up because that's who they are in this timeline, and that's who you are now. Claim it. Live it. It is done. You are no longer wondering, no longer doubting. You are not hoping to hear from them. You expect it. And more than that, you know it's already happening. Communication is natural between you and your specific person. Texts come in like clockwork. Calls feel familiar. You wake up and smile knowing that a message is waiting for you. Your energy draws them in. They can't stop thinking about you. This is a new reality. They feel it. They feel you releasing the fear, the worry, the anxiety. They feel you anchoring into your power. And now they are leaning in. You are the safest place they know. You are the voice that soothes their restlessness. They want to talk to you about everything. They are tired of the silence, tired of pretending they don't care, tired of missing you in secret. So they are reaching out now. They feel drawn to you like gravity. You are simply receiving what is already yours. They always want to talk to you. They love your energy. They love your essence. They love the way you make them feel. Every time they hear from you, they remember why they fell in love with you. You are unforgettable. You are magnetic. You are the reason their heart skips a beat. And they are realizing it now. Right now, communication is steady. It is consistent. It is filled with love, care, curiosity, affection. They open up more every day. They drop their walls. They share things they never shared before. They show up for you in ways you always knew they could. You know the universe is aligning every detail. You are being thought of. You are being missed. You are being desired. Your specific person is not just thinking about you. They are reaching out. They are contacting you. They are communicating with you. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They are reaching out to me right now," to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.